Do you want to change the world? Or turn the impossible in your mind into reality? PCBA Help is here to empower you. PCBA Help can assist you with product schematic design, embedded firmware development, PCB layout and routing design, algorithm development, application software development, mechanical enclosure design. We offer both turnkey product design services and individual technical services. With extensive experience in hundreds of product designs, our team excels at transforming your concepts into reality. Whether you require customized PCB as or turnkey product solutions, through close collaboration with global clients, we consistently deliver premium quality, innovative and cost-optimized electronic solutions. If this sparks your interest, feel free to contact us via email or our official website. Let's collaborate to make the impossible possible.